for this week. I hope you have your thinking caps on. These next 3 scales, I'm going to teach you the E, the F, and the B. They're all a little different. So I will probably put my little cheat sheet that I make my students. That way you can kind of see a picture of where your fingers go. That way you don't have to memorize this. Again, we want that nice do, re, mi, fa, so sound. And remember in a couple of videos back, if I do that with E, it just sounds weird. So in order for it to sound correct, I have to not only put my middle finger up like D and A, but I also, for the E, we're doing the E scale, E 5-finger scale, I need to put my middle finger up and my pointer up for my right hand. My F and G have to hop up to black keys. Now we have, so pause this video and practice those. Take your time. Now that chord is still that same good shape that we're used to. Middle finger is black key. That's the same. The scale though is a little new. So go ahead and practice your E scale with your right hand. Hope you did that. Let's try left hand. Now we're gonna put that pinky and the E below that. Remember, E comes after the 2 black keys. We don't want to be those people that are like C to E. We have to find C to find E. Just memorize E as coming after those 2 black keys. So left hand, my pinky now is going to be on there. Now my F and G, I'm not going to play those for it to sound correct. We're going to hop those up to the black keys, place my other fingers down, take your time, play your scale, and you can do 2 chords. Whatever you want, pause the video. We're gonna move on. Okay, F. This one is a little simpler. It's just kind of weird. The only black key we play is our ring finger. On B goes to B flat, or the black key behind the B. We don't play B, we play this one. So our 4th degree goes backwards a half step. So take your time to get used to that. Again, you don't need to like do that. You can slide your fingers a little bit and then that will reach just fine. And having your wrists lifted will help you do that too. The good thing about our F chord is it's all white keys because our scale, our 1, 3, and 5 are white keys. So this is another nice, easy major chord. But the scale has a black key. So let's do it one more time. And here's my F chord. Let's try with our left hand. For our scale now, on our left hand, pinky's on F. Now it's our pointer that's on this black key. That's our F 5-finger scale. And our chord is all white keys. You could do them together. Now we're gonna do our B scale and B chord, which is so weird. B is so weird. That's why I've saved it for last, because it's cool. We don't dislike B, but it's weird. It takes some getting used to. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with our thumb on the B, but then after that, it gets weird. We play B, then both 2 black keys, and then our E with our ring, regular E, and then we reach this black key with our pinky. So pause the video, take some time, but this is how it sounds correct. Again, if I just played white keys from here, that is just not pretty to the ear. So we're gonna do this again. If you need to slide, you can. And the major chord is our 1, 3, and 5 together. So we actually have, this is the only major chord where we have 2 black keys. So we have, that's that. Let's try it with our left hand. Very strange. I literally never play scales with my left hand. Okay, so there we go. We have pinky, and we have our middle, our ring and middle up here. Pointer is on the regular E, and then our thumb is on that first black key of the 3. So now chord. Okay, that was a lot. Hopefully you paused the video. That's what I want you to practice this week. We want to do our scales and chords in E, in F, and in B. Yeah. So have fun practicing those. After you're done with these, you will be able to play every single scale, 5-finger scale, and every single major chord with all the white keys. So congratulations. If you want one more little thing to practice, I'm gonna give you another chord progression this week. We're gonna do a chord progression of all of our white keys just to help us memorize which chords are the ones with all white keys. We learned our third and final all white key major chord, which is F today. So we're gonna do 4 C chords, then 2 G chords, then 2 F chords. And that's our pattern. We're gonna practice that this week. And then you do it again. And you know what? That could be a start of a nice new song. Okay, have a great week.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, won't you like it and subscribe for me?